This is Unali, and he has the hiccups. It's okay, lunchtime is soon, and then they'll go away.